Hey my glam babes, welcome back to my channel. If you're new here, go ahead and hit that subscribe button right here and make sure you like this video and hit your bell so you know whenever I upload another video. So if you guys want to see how I got this Sultry Valentine's Day look, then keep on watching and I will see y'all in the next one. Bye y'all. I already did my eyebrows, so I used Anastasia Beverly Hills dip brow pomade in dark brown. Then I used Covergirl concealer and Juvias Place concealer to outline or conceal my brows. Now I'm using my primer, the Revolution Conceal and Fix matte face primer, and of course you put that all over your face just to get a smooth canvas. And then we're going to move on to the eyes. So I'm using the Warrior 2 by Juvias Place, and I'm taking this dark brown shade and I'm going to use this Morphe fluffy brush just to apply that shade all over my eyebrows. I did not mean to say eyebrows, I meant to say eyelid. I can't talk, y'all, but bear with me. Now I'm going in with this Yoded shade, and I'm using that as a transition for the darker brown. And this is just a super easy eyeshadow that you can do for any day really, but I just decided to do this for a Valentine's Day look. And I'm using these lashes. If you guys want me to start selling lashes, then I will do that. Just let me know in the comments below if y'all want me to. But yeah, I'm taking Maybelline fitme foundation in 335, and I'm just putting this all over my face. This is usually like my everyday foundation between summer and fall, winter, whatever. So yeah, I just use this. Okay, so as y'all see, I'm using this Conceal and Define concealer by Revolution, and this is the shade C10.5, and you guys will see what it is in a second. So I'm just using this technique to highlight under my eyes, my chin, and my forehead, and down the bridge of my nose. And to contour, I'm using Morphe Dimension Effect contour stick, and I really shouldn't have used this shade, but I was just trying something new. You always gotta try something new to see how it works. So yeah, I don't know the exact color, but I'll leave it in the description box. Everything that you guys see will be in the description box, that way you guys can go and check them out. So yeah, I'm just using this to contour my cheekbones and my nose. Okay, so I'm using the Airspun and the Black Radiance True Complexion contour palette in medium to dark. And this palette I'm using to contour my nose and cheeks, and this Coty Airspun I use to bake under my eyes and just the areas that I put the concealer. Okay, so now I'm taking the Maybelline Super Stay Full Coverage Powder Foundation in 355 Coconut, and I'm just putting this all over my face. And this is a full coverage powder foundation up to 16 hours, and you do get a wear out of it. And I'm using the Juvias Place the Saharan blush palette. Of course, y'all know I'm using Nail. And yeah, this is my holy grail blush palette, okay? Okay, and now I'm taking the NYX Matte Finish Long Lasting Setting Spray, and I'm just putting this all over my face. Now I'm taking the Juvias Place the Nubian Nefertiti Loose Highlighter Pigment, and I'm just putting this on the tip of my nose and the bridge of my nose, just to give it a little highlight. So I'm lining my lips with NYX Dark Brown Pencil, but before that I'm using the Zaz in the Warrior 2 Juvias Place palette, and I'm just using this on the inner parts of my eye just to give it a little zhuzh, if you will, just to spice it up a little bit, you know. But it came out really cute. So I'm using the Red Cherry Velvety Matte Lipstick by Juvias Place, and this is so red. The packaging is super cute. So yeah, I'm taking this color, and it's so beautiful. Like, look at this. But this is a finished look. I hope you guys loved it. I hope y'all enjoyed, and thank you for watching. Bye y'all.